it becomes part of government policy to instinct some vengeance or some vindictiveness, or to go after so-called political opponents or enemies. And in that process, ang nangyari dyan, ay imbis na pinagkakaisa ang ating bansa, ay ang nangyayari ay pinagkakapatat-patat at pinag-aaway-away. At ang naging problema, hindi na natabi ang pamumulitika. All these problems have come about because of the paralysis that comes from this confrontational kind of politics, this confrontational kind of policy of government. Now, if there are any government officials who, in the view of some of our citizens, have done wrong in the time that they were in office, then let us allow justice, the wheels of justice to turn, and allow the judicial system to take care of any such allegations and to determine whether or not this is something that needs to be pursued. It cannot be a central part of government policy. When it becomes a central part of government policy that walang ginawa kundi naghahabol na, hinahabol, kinakasuhan, binibigyan ng problema lahat ng mga non-allied politicians, nakikita natin ang nangyari. Walang nagbabago, walang nagtulungan, hindi gumaganda ang sitwasyon ng Pilipinas. And that is why I come here today in the hope. I come here today with the hope that you and I will be able to put forward a program of governance to our people that will assure at the underlying foundation of that program is to unify the country, is to bring back the sense of nationhood that we once had.